Hello guys, welcome back to the CX Fleet Updates channel here. With me, Roberto Monico Ignacio speaking here, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. And today, we will be talking about a Cathay Pacific Boeing 777-300ER that flew to Xiamen this morning, and another one returning back to Hong Kong after 7 days of storage in Xiamen. So this aircraft is registered as Bravo Kilo Papa India. She took her flight number 63820, as you can see it here. Then she took off at runway 9 or 7, runway 05 at Goki Airport, landed at the middle runway in Hong Kong. And then she had a great circle distance of 196 kilometers, actual flight time 1 hour and 1 minute, and a track of 70 degrees, as you can see it here. This aircraft took off at 5:19 a.m. local time in Hong Kong and then landed at Goki at 6:20 a.m. I'm so sorry about the blooper. Apologies for this. It was swapped. So let's proceed to the next plane, which is another 777, the 300ER. So this aircraft is registered Bravo Hotel November Romeo. She is special for being the youngest in the last 777, the 300ER delivered in Cathay Pacific. So she took her flight number 63821, as you can see it here. She had a great circle distance of 496 kilometers, actual flight time 1 hour, gone speed 4 kiloknots, and a track of 50 degrees. And she took off at runway 9 or 7 at 2 at 4:15 at 12:38 a.m. local time or midnight, and then she landed at the middle runway at exactly 1:38 a.m. local time in Hong Kong. So for the details about this aircraft, Babadosh Kilo Papa India and Babadosh Hotel November Romeo, kindly check the previous video. And the latter aircraft is the only HN Bird, which is a 77W. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. Bye guys and see you in the next update.